How to buy cryptocurrency on Binance P2P. Before you trade cryptocurrencies, you need to buy cryptocurrencies first. On the Binance peer-to-peer trading platform, you can buy cryptocurrencies using multiple fiat currencies in various payment methods. Please make sure you have completed SMS authentication and identity verification before trading P2P. Let's take buying USDT with USD for example. Click Buy Crypto P2P Trading. You can also access P2P trading by clicking Trade P2P. Choose USDT on the Buy tab. Here, you can see the trade advertisements offered by users or merchants. You can filter the ads by entering the amount, fiat currency, and payment methods. Suppose you want to buy USDT equivalent to 100 USD. Enter 100 under Amount and select All Payments to search for relevant ads. Once you see the ad you want to buy, click Buy USDT. Enter the amount and click Buy USDT to place the order. You will then see the order details and the seller's payment information. Select a payment method and make payment as instructed. Please note that the USD transaction is made outside of the Binance platform between you and the seller. From the moment you place an order, Binance will lock the seller's crypto until the order is completed. Please double-check the payment information and transfer within the time limit set by the seller. Once payment is made, click Transferred Next. Confirm to notify the seller. The seller will release the crypto after confirming that payment is received. You will find the purchased cryptocurrencies in your funding wallet. Important note: please transfer to the seller's account using your own account and complete the payment within the specified time. Only click Transferred Next after you made the transfer. And do not click Cancel Order until you receive a refund from the seller. You can contact the seller using the chat window on the right of the page while waiting for the seller to release your crypto. If you do not receive the crypto within the specified time, click Appeal and a customer service agent will assist you. To trade, simply tap Transfer to transfer your crypto to your spot wallet.